How to add logo into your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a logo to your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to dashboard and then you can choose the website you want to add the logo. So I'm gonna choose this one. And then in this dashboard, you can go ahead to the website and then go to website editor by click this one, edit. After that, as you can see on my header, there is my logo, but it's text, it's not a logo or a picture or a image. So we're gonna change it to the image logo, not the text logo. So we're gonna click edit site header here. After that, you can see you can click this one and then click edit site title and logo. And then as you can see, you can, change the site title and then you can add a logo image. So I'm gonna add a logo, so upload image and maybe this one, just for example, And also if you want to add a logo to the both website and I mean the desktop version and the mobile version, you can also have to add a mobile logo. I'm gonna add it also. So when my customer visit my website from their mobile phone, they will also see our logo. So yeah, this is my logo. And then you can just click save here. And then you can just click exit. And then it's done. So when your customer visit your website, they will see your image logo. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.